Hello everyone, welcome to Kakau's Hideout. I'm Kakao Kunemi. Sorry kung ngayon lang sira yung walang internet connection. Nila yung tawag nito. This is a new card, by the way. So medyo sira ulo siya, puro memes yung niya. But anyway, this is tawag nito. Walang internet connection. Nag-clearing sila sa highway, pati yung kable ng internet napotol. But anyway, anong topic natin for today? This is anong chismis tungkol sa'yo? O sige, Aries to Pisces. Anong chismis tungkol sa'yo, Aber? So, let's proceed kay Aries. Ang chismis sa'yo, the Moon card reverse is regarding a secret na booking, na discover na. Parang meron kang secret and that secret has got something to do with medyo magulo nak. So, parang may mga details na hindi nagtutugma-tugma. Maybe meron kang kinwento, iba yung kwento mo before, iba yung kwento mo ngayon. Tapos, ang reaction ng public, medyo magulo nak. Ano ba talaga? So, if you're the one lying, so, this is a warning na mabubuking ka na. Pero if somebody had lied about you, ito yung parang marami nang ku-question. Ano ba talaga? Medyo magulo eh. Okay? So, that's for you, Aries. Let's proceed kay Taurus. Anong chismis tungkol sa'yo? It has got something to do with your money. And, ang laging naiisip ng public regarding that matter is mapriso ka. Bawal. So, I don't know, maybe nachichismis kang gumagawa ng illegal or questionable yung source ng funds mo. Knight of Pentacles in reverse, parang hindi mo siya maipaliwanag ng maayos. Or maybe there is something about somebody you trust na hindi nagbabayad ng utang, maybe hindi maipaliwanag kung saan napunta yung pinagkatiwala mong pera, kaya mapriso ka. Bawal. So, either ikaw ang may ginawang questionable na parang na kino-question ng public kung ano ba talaga nangyari dun sa pera, or ikaw yung kumu-question, asan yung pera ko? Saan napunta yung binigay ko sa'yo? Now, for Gemini, anong chismis tungkol sa'yo? This is Hierophant. Na hindi ka basta-basta. Na merong kang reputation na hindi kayang questionin nino man. And ang laging sinasabi ng public regarding this chismis is, sure ka? Naka-green. Ang naisip ko tuloy si VP Sara. Na parang, kasi to strong na reputation. Na parang kahit anong gawin na pag-trigger ng ng duda sa public, parang yung public talaga, sure ka? Parang asan yung evidence? Parang ganon. But anyway, let's get the narrative out of anything political. Pero parang ganon yung siste. Na ito yung gawain mo, ito yung reputation mo. Yung sinasabi mo nagtutugma dun sa nakikita, na witness or nararanasan ng mga tao around you. Kaya yung mga chinichismis yung reputation mo na very sturdy, ito ang reaction. Sure ka? Okay? Anyway, that's for you, Gemini. Let's proceed kay Cancer. Ang chismis about you is Ace of Swords. There's something about a new beginning, new contract. Maybe you're being quiet about a new job, a new investment, a new business, pero parang natutunugan na nila kasi nakita kang pumunta ng BIR, nakita kang naghahanap ng materyales sa business na gusto mong simulan, or yung mga tanong mo kung kani-kanino in incorporated sa mga gusto mong gawin na negosyo or gusto mong pasukin na investment. Now, ang reaction ng public regarding that matter is, go na go. So, parang naintindihan nila if you're not talking about it, if you're being secretive about it, pero parang aminado sila na pag ikaw ang nagsimula, natatapos, merong resulta at kaya mong i-manage. Okay? Now, let's proceed kay Leo. Anong chismis sa'yo? Death card reverse na merong issue regarding your past na hindi ka pa nakaka-move on, or maybe somebody died in the family, you're still not over it, parang namimiss mo pa rin, or pwedeng siguro pwede ring natapos na relasyon, tapos parang nabibring up mo pa rin, na parang yung mga tao around you is parang yan na naman yung topic niya. Pero let's see, basically the public's thoughts about this is because parang yan na naman yung topic natin, because parang umay na yan na naman topic natin, yan ang pag-uusapan natin, because so parang change din ang topic paminsan-minsan, Leo, especially if ang laging topic is yourself, not everything is about you. Anyway, let's proceed kay kay Virgo. Ang chismis about you, Virgo, is High Priestess reversed. I don't know if there's an issue with a Cancer or a Pisces, pero parang merong frustration regarding something na you've learned maybe about the person, or maybe merong kang gustong ikonsulta about a specific situation. Pwedeng emotional kasi High Priestess is all about intuition. Pero maybe this is parang siguro yung situation mo, hindi mo alam kung sino yung lalapitan. Let's say for example, I'm being drawn to the owl. The owl is the symbol for wisdom and knowledge, intelligence. Kaya nga 'di ba mga elites, they worship the owl. So parang ito ang inaano nila is ang nire-represent nito sa reading na to is more on maybe you need the guidance or wisdom of someone who's wiser than you. Especially you're a Virgo, maybe you're undergoing through a very emotionally frustrating situation. Hindi ka magaling mag-manage ng emotions mo. Mas magaling kang mag-bottle up ng emotions mo. So I don't know if there's anything na parang you're very devastated about, na parang you wish you can talk to someone about it, or at least you can consult an expert regarding that matter. Kasi parang for you, research is not enough. Kasi parang yung knowledge ma-absorb mo kung anong gagawin, paano i-manage, pero how to deal with it emotionally and psychologically, parang yun yung struggle mo. Kasi inner knowledge ang High Priestess eh. Now, what does the public say about this? Anong reaction nila? Di don't. Frustrating, ayaw mo, gusto mo nang sukuan, di don't. O parang ayaw mo nang ituloy, di don't. If it's something na you're supposed to be doing in order to gain something, pero parang nalulugi ka pa. So, kung feel mo na ayaw mo nang ituloy, di don't. Simple. Anong lisod-lisoro ng kinabuhi na may sayang? Anyway, let's proceed kay Libra. Okay, kay Libra, ang chismis about you is gwapo ka daw, char. More on yung charm mo is something na parang nate-take advantage mo. Usually, King of Wands traditionally is someone who's married pero merong side chick na parang it doesn't bother them. Pero for some reason, I'm sensing someone who's single. He's not ready to commit, pero parang alam niya na charming siya. So, this is applicable also to women, Merong mga ganyan na parang maganda ako. Yes, mahirap ako, pero maganda ako. Now, nachichismis siguro na either merong may gusto sa'yo na may asawa na, or ikaw na may asawa na, may nagugustuhan kang someone na parang nahalata siguro ng mga tao. Pero intuitively, I think there is something about you using your looks in order to get your way. Like maybe since pansinin ka, sumisingit ka sa mga pila, yung ganon. Or parang you're supposed to go through a specific process, pero dahil gwapo ka, o sige na nga, unahin na lang kita, yung mga ganon. Siguro na pag-uusapan yung mga ganong klaseng ganap. Now, ang reaction ng public regarding this matter is sige na. So parang may pangit na gustong magkaroon ng advantage na gaya na binibigay sa iyo. Kaso nga lang ganito yung itsura niya. So, ito natural na cute. Ito nagpapakita. Ambot ni Moy. But anyway, yun parang nachichismis siguro na ginagaya ka yung approach mo, pero sa'yo lang talaga applicable kasi ikaw lang yung charming. But anyway, let's proceed kay Scorpio. Anong chismis about you? 9 of Wands in reverse, na may sakit ka or malapit ka ng sumuko regarding a specific matter or a specific cause. This may be about property, a relationship na parang ayaw mo na pa. So parang nachichismis ka siguro na ayan, bibitaw na yan. Either bibitaw na sa health, na tsugi na, matatayshi na, or bibigay na yan like pipirma na, hindi na angkinin yung property. Kung sa relationship naman, makikipaghiwalay na. So parang nakikitaan ka na ng weakness na parang ito, parang malapit ng umayaw si Scorpio. Ang view ng mga tao regarding this matter is obvious ba? Obvious ba? Hindi ko na kaya So bakit nyo pa ako kukwestiyonin kung susuko ako? Hindi ba obvious? O di ba? So parang mind your own business na lang siguro, especially if you're the one curious sa situation ni Scorpio. Anyway, proceed tayo kay Sagittarius. Ayun, tumalo na si Sagittarius. So, ang chismis sa'yo is nahihirapan ka, you're burdened about something, may responsibilities ka na, hindi naman sa'yo, ikaw yung pumapasan. Now, ang nagiging reaction ng public in general regarding this matter is yes na yes for you, na parang deserve mo yan. Yes na yes for you. Yes, stress ka. Yes, burdened ka. Pero, pinasok mo yan Pwede namang bitawan yan, pero wala Gusto mong i-endure, di huwag ka magreklamo. Now, for Capricorns, ang chismis regarding sa'yo has got something to do with observation. So, I don't know if you're the one being observed. I don't know, maybe, napagdududahan kang may good item. Tapos nachichismis ka ng mga kapitbahay mo na may umaali-aligid dyan sa inyo na hindi taga sa inyo. Baka inoobserbahan ka. Or, pwedeng baliktad na parang akala mo hindi ka halata. Pwedeng ikaw yung nahalata ng public na you're just observing something or someone na parang pati tuloy yung mga nakakaalam or nakakahalata na may inoobserbahan ka, inoobserbahan na rin nila yung tao or yung situation na yun. So, it could be about money, maybe let's say for example, nagdududa ka sa pinagkatiwalaan mo sa negosyo na kinukupitan ka. So, maybe nahahalata ng mga tao around you na inoobserbahan mo yung pinagkakatiwalaan mong tao. Or, pwede ring sa relationship. Like maybe, you thought you were slick, pero nahalata pala ng mga kapitbahay mo na pinagdududahan mo yung partner mo, maybe every now and then umuwi ka nang wala sa oras, hoping na may mahuli. And basta ang energy is halata ka na yun yung na may inoobserbahan ka, may hinihintay kang resulta. And yung mga nakakahalata, nag-o-observe na rin. So parang congrats, marami kayo na magbabantay. Anyway, ang naman, tawag nito, reaction ng public regarding this matter is, ayan, wag mong ituloy yan. So may inoobserbahan nga, nakasili pa sa jealousy. So, inoobserbahan rin ng mga kapitbahay. So, I don't know lang kung masama kang magalit na type ng Capricorn to the point na siguro kahit alam na ng mga tao around you, hindi na lang nila sinasabi sa'yo kasi yun nga, baka pumuto ka bigla tapos yan, wag mo ituloy yan. So, yun ang chismis sa'yo. Now, let's proceed kay Aquarius. Anong chismis tungkol sa'yo? Kay Aquarius, strength reverse, na bumibitaw ka na, ayaw mo nang mag-persist, ayaw mo nang tumuloy, ayaw mo nang itolerate. For some reason, I'm sensing something about health. Maybe merong kailangang ituloy na surgery na parang ayaw mo na lang ituloy, or medication na parang kapoy. Or pwede rin sa relationship, like siguro naging martir ka na tapos parang for you, parang enough na, yun na yun. Ayoko na. This could be about anything like work, ayaw mo nang mabuli, nag-resign ka bigla, or in a relationship, lagi mo na lang nahuhuling nag-cheat, o nakapag-break ka bigla. Basta, ayun yung chismis about you, na parang, ay nako, bumigay na, ayaw na niya, hindi, bumitaw na talaga. Now, ang reaction ng public regarding this matter is, oo na, sige na. So, parang, for some reason, maybe if you're going to need anything from any person around you, parang pagbibigyan ka nila. Because na-witness nila kung ano yung tinolerate mo for a very long time. So parang kahit may inis sa'yo kasi siguro, let's say for example sa relationship, ilang beses mong pinatawad, ilang beses nag-cheat, ilang beses mong tinanggap ulit. Tapos ito biglang, bala ka na dyan, ayoko na. Tapos magrarant ka ulit dun sa mga nakapaligid sa'yo. Naiinis sa'yo pero parang, sige na. Oo na, sige na, papakinggan na kita. Last na yan. Sige na. Okay. Anyway, let's proceed naman kay Pisces. Ano ang chismis tungkol sa'yo? Wheel of Fortune. Nagbago ka na raw. So, I don't know if you're planning to travel, to relocate, or yung approach sa mga bagay-bagay, siguro dati masyado kang caring, masyado kang concerned. Ngayon, siguro, bala kayo dyan. Or siguro, parang, ikaw naman yung nagde-demand. Siguro dati ikaw yung natataranta na wala kang ma-provide. Siguro naumay ka na rin kaka-provide. Tas ito, parang Wheel of Fortune. Change tayo. Ako naman magde-demand. Asan yung ganito ko? Asan yung ganyan? Now, what is the reaction of the public regarding this matter? Push mo yan. So, parang, parang ang sarap niyong pag-umpugin daw ni Aquarius. Na parang, parang gaano katagal mo na rin kasing sinalo yan. So, ngayong bumibitaw ka na, Pisces, parang secretly, merong na sumusuporta sa'yo. Na buti na, sige, tuloy mo yan, mabuti na rin yan para hindi mamihasa. Okay? Anyway, that's all for today. Any clarifications, if you would like to have a paid personal reading with me, so just send me a private message. That'll be Kakao's Hideout or Kakao Konemi. In the blue app, that will be Kakao Konemi, tapos pink shake yung picture. Okay? That'll be all. Bye.